you're wondering how you add page numbers and make them start on a specific page, this is the right video. So this is my intro page. I don't want the page number to start here. And if we scroll down, you can see this is a new page and we have another new page. So we click on the page we want it to start at. We go to Insert, scroll down to Break, and now we choose Section Break, Next Page. And if it creates a new side, we would just press the backspace or press delete and just go back. Boom. So now we can see we have deleted the extra side. Now we'll just click on Insert, scroll down to Page Numbers, and you just choose the layout you want. I will go with this one. And now we have to uncheck the box Link to Previous. So you click here, and you can see the numbers has disappeared. Go to Options, Page Numbers, and make sure this is on Start at 1. And then we just apply. As you can see, it starts at number 1. But if you scroll up to the first page, you can see the page numbering is still on the first side. You just have to delete it. And there you have it. You can see it's no page numbering on the first side, 1 on the second one, and 2 on the third side. If this video helped you, consider leaving a like and subscribing.